some productions like the lavalier pinned to the actor, and sometimes we just put it on the stand in front of them, aimed up.
Okay.
Some people like that as well. So.
Okay, and what's the kind of difference in the sound there?
Yeah, because I the one thing that does work with lavaliers is that chest sound that you get, because it's right there, right on the chest. I think to be honest, half the time it's because I work with a wireless, and typically during the day we have many actors in and out, and we have had situations where they leave with my microphone pinned on them, and we have to go running out in the parking lot and get it back, and we're not fast enough. So or if it's wired, they walk away and they get yanked back like a dog leash. So I think that's why people settle on the stand approach, and it's close enough, I guess, for everybody's liking. So, but it's hard. It's hard as an audiophile, and like I said, starting in music, to let go of some of those things that you learned about getting a good quality recording, and knowing that no, it's about matching. It's not about great. And it's hard. It's hard because I'm sure you're the same way. You're listening to the lavaliers, and it's not necessarily always the best sound in the world. But then you hear it all mixed into the final product, and it actually works because it's what we've all come to associate with on TV. It's TV sound, and it actually sounds pretty decent,
Yeah, no, it does. It does definitely have its place, especially in all these like louder and louder environments where everyone's squished together.